How do you sign up for TikTok? You download TikTok app from the App Store. You can log in or you can sign up, of course. So let's go and click that sign up button at the bottom. You can sign up for TikTok in many ways, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use my email to sign up. I need to enter date of birth for the protection of our kids, and then I need to enter my email address. You can get trending content newsletter promotions. This is optional, so you don't have to check that. It will help you to get some suggestions for trending hashtags and so on. I'm going to click next. I need to create a very strong password. Basically, it has to be at least 8 characters, 1 letter, 1 number, at least 1 special character. Then create a nickname. You can enable the feature that finds your contacts. I'm not a big fan of that. And then are you going to accept personalized ads? So what you can do, you can add a picture, you can create avatar, take photo or upload photo. Also, you can enter your bio, which is limited to 80 characters. I always put my email address in there. People don't really like to contact me through TikTok messages. There are other options in edit profile. I would link Instagram, YouTube channels, everything that you want to link and you can fill out in your profile. You can turn on profile view history if you want to see who is actually looking at your profile as well. You can add friends, find contacts, or find Facebook friends, or you can also invite your friends if you want more followers. And then happy TikToking.